Hello everybody, Gary Fernan here for Photoreceptorcell, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to create that widescreen look for your still image using Photoshop. So like always, Command J, let's duplicate that background layer just in case something goes wrong. Select the Marquee tool and we're literally just going to drag a box down. You can make this as narrow or as wide as you like. Hold down Control and click. We're going to go Fill. Make sure the content is black. Going to keep the mode normal. Opacity 100%. Hit OK. And that fills. Back into the box. Hold down Control and select. And we'll say layer via copy. Now that brings up layer 2 in the panel here. V on the keyboard, hold down Shift, and then just drag that copied layer down to the bottom. And there you go. Guys, no more difficult than that. And that is how you create a widescreen look and feel to your still image in Photoshop. Take care guys, and I shall see you next time.